This week in 1877, Thomas Edison demonstrated his phonograph for the first time. Originally intended to be used as a dictating machine, this invention proved very popular in the field of entertainment. In 1913 this week, the Ford Motor Company introduced the first moving assembly line and forever changed the manufacturing industry. In 1927, the first Ford Model A was unveiled in New York City's Waldorf Hotel and in 35 other cities around the US, Canada, and Europe. And this week in 1972, Atari released Pong, the first commercially successful video game. The game was first tested in a California bar. Shortly after installation, the machine began to malfunction. When they went to repair it, they found that the problem was the coin mechanism was overflowing. It was obviously a popular game. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. 6,000 media representatives, 2,600 from abroad. It's IFA time. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Be sure to check out our website anytime at intotomorrow.com. Check out our free podcasts while you're there. We'll catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.